We are a team of young innovators. I'm Banali Pradhan.
I'm Akshina Mishra.
And I am Ansuman Nayak.
Presenting our project Protego. Protego means to protect. The vision behind this project is to ensure that no person or woman feels ever helpless during an emergency. Many a times, people feel helpless during their emergency time because they can't reach for the call or help. So, with this project, with just the press of a button, you can call for a help.
In emergencies, victims don't get enough time to communicate with the helpline. Slow response, panic creates a very dangerous atmosphere for the victims, for which we have made our project Protego. So let's see how it works. First, we will give it to the charge, and there is a Arduino Mega here, a Bluetooth module and a buzzer. We could connect the Bluetooth through our phone, and there is a button here. When the victims are in danger, they will just press this button, and a message will go to the helpline, and so that there is a help, I am in danger. And it could be the message will be continuously sent until the user replies okay from its end, and it would not stop. And imagine if a victim is in danger and is in a public area. She or he could not warn anyone, but want everyone to know that she is in danger. She could just press the button 2 times, and the message will be and the message that help, I am in danger will be sent, and the buzzer present here will start beeping like this. And this will also act like the first one. It will not stop until OK is flagged from the other user. And there will be no message sent if she taps it 3 times, because someone by mistakenly taps with nervousness. So this is how it works.
The advantages of Protego are no need to unlock a phone or open an app if you are in danger. You just need to press the button and this will send the help I am in danger message. It is low cost and effective. It also has an attention grabbing element. It can also have upgradable designs, and it can also spread awareness.
The future scope of Protego are integration of GSM and GPS, miniaturization, rechargeable and waterproof battery, AI developer smart, and artificial intelligence are used in this. Also, if the government will support, we can make Protego in a mass number, and we can give in school, colleges and other public areas. At last, Protego is not just a device or project. It's one step forward. It's a one step forward for the safety of people like children, women and other ones. It also says how simply technology can be used in a right way so that it can save many lives. And we are very thankful that we are getting this type of ideas so that we can make our India safer and stronger country.
Thank you.
Thank you.